Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from
Muscle. I can't say because I give it away. We'll tell you in a minute.
It has a school bus.
Yes, he's got someone did a drawing here.
It says thank you. Thank you.
It's like a sticker done by Charles saying, "Thank you for purchasing products you have helped adults with learning difficulties enhance their skills. Visit www.paperworks.org.uk for more information." So someone, yeah.
Yes, we're being good.
Well, let's open it. Why don't you let him do that bit first? Open it with the scissors, and then you can help.
What is it?
We'll find out in a minute, won't we?
Yeah, maybe it's.
What? Don't give it away.
She knows what it is.
Whoa, you can do that. No. Let's just like that now. Rip it. Oh.
What's it?
Oh.
Why did it have another box?
Right, let's have a look what we got in here.
Is this present for me?
Good.
Why did it have two?
So what we got is, thank you for your purchase. And it is muscle gun.
Oh, that's just wrong.
We hope you enjoy it. We'd love your feedback. Please scan QR code and tell us what you think of muscle gun and how we did. Quite nice, yeah?
Look what it has.
Yeah, go on.
Look what it has in it. Wait. So it says back. That's what we need.
So why we opened this particular time?
Because my mum is back hurts and she's having a headache and she's taking
You got a headache as well.
headache. Yeah,
Look, it has a post on it.
Yeah, post it.
Okay,
Just
her
a
back
leaflet.
is aching.
So this leaflet, muscle gun manual. It's got content. What's in the box? Operating, charging your device. How to use your muscle gun. Safety. Return your device. Product warranty. Quite cool the way each page. I'll go through each pages quickly. All the bits.
That's so cool. What's that?
How do you
Oh,
make
it is.
it?
Let's go.
We'll make it in a minute. Listen.
I really want to open it. Though. It looks
Okay.
so cool.
Right, and then so just the attachments. Can you open this? And then operating, charging your device. So it's got everything about operating, charging your device. If you want to look, you can kind of freeze in. Yeah. Okay. And it's got other stuff like the different attachments and what they're for. So you've got a firm board, generally used for large muscle groups. Fork, best used for spine.
Ooh.
Flat dampener used for firmer muscle groups or concentrated areas
That's
of
good.
bone mass. Trigger point therapy for smaller muscle groups. So they're all the different types. Then you've got upper back attachment, firm ball. Don't do that yet because you've got to show everyone. What are you doing that for?
Because I really want to see
What
what's
is
Firm,
upper back?
firm attachment, firm ball, 4 minutes, speed setting 4, method sweep left to right, approximately 2 minutes each side. So it's just showing you what to do for the back, what to do for the neck, the bullet one you need for the neck, 2 minutes speed setting 3, sweep across from right left. So it just basically shows you what to do each part, which is quite clever because you don't leave you to guesswork. Hamstrings, very important for football and athletics to use those ones. There's a Theragun one they're advertising. They've got I've forgotten his name. Liverpool player, very good player, local Liverpool lad, and all these different areas. The glutes, she has need good glutes.
Oh my.
Then you've got these other bits here. Then we're just quickly going through showing everyone what it's got, and then you've got triceps, forearms. Triceps and forearms. And then chest, and then safety. So, do not use on near open wounds or surgical incisions. Muscular knots are diagnosed through parental disease. Muscular not be used by anyone under age of 16. Only charge a muscle gun for a period of 1 hour. Overcharge may lead to battery damage. That's very important. Do not charge muscle gun in close proximity to water. Do not put muscle gun under a blanket or pillow. Do not attempt to disassemble. Never expose muscle gun to water. Never use muscle gun attachments other than the provided in the muscle gun. Don't use attachments. It did. So it's quite good. It's quite nicely packaged. We're just having it for a while. 90-day return policy, warranty, product warranty. And this is the place. It's from Leeds.
Wait, give the address.
Yeah, so we can go. So
Okay, let's
we've
go
got
to
something
this.
with it, which was a free gift that came with it.
Oh.
So we open it, pull it.
Oh.
Okay, let's
Oh,
open it.
this is silk.
Take the lid off.
Silk. Oh, what is it?
Oh, that's quite good. The box.
Oh, that's.
What's in
Oh,
there?
what is that? Oh.
A big, really big box with.
Let me see.
Oh, you said present. I was like, ooh, that's cool. Chocolate.
So this is like
This is like
one of
a
the attachments.
marshmallow.
Like a marshmallow.
That's so hard.
And what you've got here is recovery muscle gun recovery massage oil, which is going free with it.
Let me feel it.
Yeah.
That's so hard.
So 50 ml. This is arnica herb. Something. I don't say that. Argania spinosa kernel oil and some other seed. I'm not going to try and pronounce any of those. Not because some products don't use only patch test recommended. Patch test recommended for sensitive skin. And again, it's got directions how to use it. I'll have to look into that. But it's like a thing. So here's the main thing. So we get rid of that. This is an attachment that comes with it.
Yep.
The free attachment that came
It's really
with
hard.
it, and it's hard, but it's kind of like got a textured appearance. It's not completely plastic and smooth. It's got a texture appearance that obviously can't connect on. Right, so here's the thing.
Maintain 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
that's too hard. Let me do it.
Go on, pull it.
I'm nearly finished.
So, wait 1 second. Let's just see. The box is very nice, very cool. Open up.
Yeah.
Whoa. So let's have a look at this. It says on the inside, recover faster, train harder.
There's nothing in it.
It's just a box. And that's quite nice because it's got like a magnetic bit there for the box, which is quite nice. I'm not sure we'll keep
Okay,
that.
let's open
So let's open it. Let's show them the bit
Oh,
outside.
yes. Outside.
What is
So it's
that?
a curry pouch, which is really good. Nice rubbery handle. Zips, solid zips with solid bits on them. Yeah. So quite solid. Go on, open that side. Go on, pull it. Just take your time.
My goodness. It
Oh,
looks
what?
sick.
Oh my.
So you've got the actual. Do you want to pull it out?
Oh,
You
okay.
just lift it. You got. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. Let go. Wait. Hey, you calm down as well. Wait. Calm down. It's £2.50 from the local shop. Calm down. Right, this is just a tag, so it's easy to pull out. So you just lift it up like that instead of
those are
yanking
the
at it.
same.
You see? Go on, so do it and then
But
grab
those
it.
are the same.
So this is the actual unit.
Whoa, this
Feel
is
that.
a
Feel
bee.
that. Oh, that's
That's
nice.
really nice. Yeah, go on. So it's like a. What's kind of. How would you describe that material?
I don't know.
Velvety,
it's like
hard.
I don't know what.
So we've got the different attachments. Why have we got? They've sent us another one of the same attachment. Look, isn't that the same? Don't do anything yet. We're just showing everyone everything. Just wait. That's the same
I didn't know what to do after that.
identical attachment. Really?
Wait, let me feel.
Right.
Maybe this one's the best. Maybe I don't know.
And then you've got
Maybe
just-
if you accidentally lose it or something.
maybe I don't know. Why? Yeah. So you've got the firm ball, 2 of them now. You've got the fork. Give me that one. Show us that fork. Thank
Why
you.
isn't
Molly.
it like this?
Fork. You've then got the flat
The flat-ended.
dampener, and then you've got the bullet. Okay, so charger, only 1 at a time. Settings, leave that, just plug that. It's quite nice to box.
What's this one?
That's to put the instructions in. You probably put the instructions on and stuff.
Wait, do you
It's
take
quite
out
nice.
this?
No, don't take that. That's a nice bit of foam here to keep it all protected in case
Yeah.
you drop it. So let's have a go.
Okay, so you come on this back side. You don't just press it. You go hold it, and then that goes.
Can I try?
Right, let's just.
And then you have to hold. No, those don't do anything.
Can I try?
They're just for design. I don't know.
That's just for design, but the
Oh,
buttons.
that's how you hold it. You hold it like that.
Yeah, hold it like that.
Then what's that? Oh, that's a charger.
The charging port. So you've got a charging port at the bottom of the handle. Got a handy velvety thing here. You've got the 1 second, darling. You've got muscle gun on the side. You've got the please turn it off before. Long press of power on and off. Oh, you've turned it off. Ah.
I wanted to press it.
Can I try?
So what you've got here are the different settings. Got that close enough? Is that focused in?
Christmas.
So you've got settings 1 to 4. So you just obviously just twist it round.
Oh, wait, no.
No, oh no, I know what it does. Right, do you want to? Right, let's put the attachment in.
The most common.
There's it in.
Yep.
So what you do is,
It should have
do you
like
press it? You press it. You show anyone. So that's the first setting. That's pretty solid. I feel that.
Oh.
The- Then you can press a bit more. So this shows you how much charge you got. So it's 4 for fully charged. It's 4 little white dots. So that's setting 1. Press it, get more. Press a bit more. No, press it. Go on, press it again. Press it
Oh, I know what you do. So you press it. Wait, why isn't it coming on? And then you press it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you press it.
Go on. Go on, press one.
that's so
Setting 3. It is quite firm that.
Ah, that's so
But the
fun.
handle doesn't. If you hold it there, consider. Go on, put your show it, darling. Show your hand by shaking.
That is really.
So, even though it's vibrating quite like this end, you can
Let's
feel.
put it on the highest pressure.
Go on, press again. And not that noisy either.
No, I'm not.
Even though it's like that, they just said don't put your hand. They just said don't put your hand. Oh, maybe you shouldn't put your hand. If it just don't put your hand there, we just been put our
This is
hand.
like.
It's a high setting, but you got some vibration through the hand, but very minimal. What do you think? That's solid.
Why is the
Right,
table
that's-
shaking?
I'm kind of wondering
Oh, but
why this bit has to be on the top there. Maybe that's just a design, but why it can't just be like a 90-degree kind of bit. But I suppose so maybe that's where the motor is and everything. But it looks pretty good.
yeah, I think so.
Wait, what is this charger?
Oh, that's nice. You know, it's so
Let me feel that.
nice.
Oh, let me see.
Can you put it on the lowest pressure?
Yeah, put it
Can
on
you,
lower.
can you do mine?
Okay.
Can you do mine?
Oh, it's about a 5.
Can you,
Okay.
can I put it on?
No, no hands.
Come on. Let's put-
Is
Is that nice? Oh, is it nice?
That tickle.
Was it nice there?
Oh, yeah.
Try it, you. Try it. Show your arm. Show you doing it. Show you doing it. Show you doing it.
Oh,
Show me you doing it.
that feels so
You got to
nice.
show in the camera. Does it feel nice? Can you put a bit higher?
Oh, that feels so
I'm
nice.
doing my arm.
Oh, that
So do your
feels
arm.
really. Oh,
Go put your arm over
when
here
you go arm, it.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
Do
Or is it
mine,
not nice?
Do mine again. Do mine again. It feels so nice. Ah, it tickles
Right,
now.
I tell you what we'll do. Let's try. Let's turn it off. Let's try the.
The breaker.
I just meant to pull it off. Oh, clearly that's what you do. Let's put the flat one on.
I wanted a break. Oh yeah, this one's for the arm. Oh
That nice one?
yeah.
Do it on my leg.
We should leave you following the
Do it on
instructions.
my leg.
Is that nice? Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
That's
damn.
so
Do it
nice.
on my
You
hand.
So would you mind doing this after training on your legs
Yeah,
and
I'll
stuff?
be amazing. That will be
No, we do it in hands, darling, apparently.
But
So what do you
shake
think?
all your blood.
Good.
So if we put it up,
Whoa.
Wait, look at it. Just look
Let
at
me
it.
do
Just look at
it.
look at the way the speed is going. It looks like, look at that.
Oh.
Oh, that is so good.
Do it on my arm.
Oh no, that's too much.
Oh,
Do you like it?
yay. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, it's so
Put it down. Yeah, I got you now. That'll teach you. Right, okay,
It just tickles.
I think it's great. I think it's absolutely brilliant. The reviews are really good. I knew it'd be quite
Put it
good.
on your hands.
Oh, that feels so good.
Me.
Do it everywhere. You have your arms.
Put it on
It
my
feels like it feels
Oh,
weird.
that's so
Put
nice.
it on there.
On your shoulder.
That hurts. Oh, that hurts.
Right. Okay then, what do you think? Like it?
Yeah.
I think it's excellent. How much it will benefit recovery and stuff, we don't know, but certainly feels good. It feels like a proper massage. I mean, it's not as good as that's her spine. You can't. I don't think we should mess with that, and they could use it for your spine.
No.
So should we put it on though?
Yeah.
Or do you want to put it on?
Oh, I'll
The
put
fork
it
part.
on.
Go on.
Oh,
Wait, that's just for the spine.
do it.
Yeah, for, you
Do
put
it
it in
to my
inside the spine. Yeah,
Do
I suppose you could do it.
I
suppose you
do
could
it to my
I suppose you could do it in
arm.
your arm. It's fine.
Oh, that didn't hurt.
Oh, that's so.
Right, so I mean, we tried everything. Not meant to charge for more than an hour, so if we're going to charge, we'll do it during the day and keep an eye on it. And make sure to time it, put the alarm on the phone so we don't overcharge
How
because
much?
it damages the battery. Not cheap. I'll put a link in the description.
So mum can't hear it.
Well,
Let me try to put it on.
So, the case is great, really quality product. It's not cheapo plastic, it's good, it's solid, doesn't vibrate so
How
much,
do
doesn't
you
make
put
too
it
much
on?
noise. It feels good when you use it. In terms of recovery,
Let me put it on.
wait, darling, darling. London, press it, hold it down.
Recovery.
In terms of recovery from sport or preparing yourself for sports, you've got to be careful, darling, don't break it, yeah? In terms of recovery from sports, you
Okay, put it off.
You can only find out. Leave it now. Yeah, leave it. Let me just talk. Yeah. So, in terms of recovery from sports, you just see how you feel the next day, I guess, from using it, or how you feel generally from using it. But we can just see that definitely it seems like we work quite good. It's kind of like you'd something to do alongside foam rolling and stretching.
Can you do this if you're like injured, like you pull something?
I wouldn't necessarily go idea to use it. You'd probably have to use it very lightly, I'd imagine.
So what do you have to do to like do it? When do you do
Well, you do it as a part of your recovery from your training. You've gone football training, you've gone athletics, and then you do it on your legs and your you know, like you do with your foam rolling, same areas. Because it's like a sports massage.
Okay.
I was never going to be as good at sports massage.
Do you have to use the foam roller anymore?
You still use foam roller. It's just additional thing to keep yourself supple and loose and prevent injury. It's more, we're going to probably use it at injury prevention to prevent injuries.
Okay, so in the morning before football.
Maybe before football, just loosen everything up, and then you'd be more free to go. Your muscles will be all loose and everything, and then when you come back, you do it a bit. But the good thing is you can just sit there watching YouTube
yeah.
and do it, and just make sure you do all your legs, calf muscles, the calf muscles everywhere, and make sure you get it anywhere that you feel a bit of a tightness. You do it especially there, because that's what I do with massage. Any tightness is just massage out. But sports massages, from what people say, are very expensive. Hey.
Do you know what,
Darling.
like really like expensive items? They should have a airbag if it drops on the floor,
Yeah.
and then
So
it
from
just
Papa.
fills the whole house.
It says mind your hand here. Right, okay, so that's it then. What do you think then, yeah? Happy? Like it? You think it's good?
1 out of 10.
Are we going to
10
say it
out of
together?
10.
I said 10 out of 10 that. It's a
is it
really great
both?
piece of
Sarah,
kit.
1 out of 10, how much?
What out of 10? What would you give it out of 10?
Huh?
10
What
out of
do you
10
give
means
out
the
of
best, and 1 out of 10 means very bad. What is it? 10 out of 10 or 1 out of 10? Or 5 out of 10 or 10 out of 10? Or 9 out? 10 out of 10. Yeah.
Yay!
So yep, so
We will be
any questions, just pop
asking
them in the description. Yeah, so we'll be trying it out and maybe do a bit of feedback on, which we should do, because we never end up doing it, but we should.
on- Wait, it says.
Mind your
Oh,
hand.
mind you. I thought it said
think
put
we
out.
should give it to Mummy.
Yeah, mummy can use it now. Okay, so yeah, let's end it.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.
I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye.
Go on.
Bye.
Bye.